Okay, let us examine how this gesture grip impacts performance and control when it is used. At the moment, you are holding it with your left hand. Next, transition to your right hand. And finally, try holding it with both hands. Next, you should carefully take the object from your hands, hold it steadily between your fingers, and then place it precisely right here on this spot.
First is a feed me state. Let's check the official documentation. For example, here it introduces what comes next. This is the holding gesture states development guide. We can subscribe to detect the holding gesture state.
Advanced sensor accurately monitors user gesture states.
The first step is to request permission. In this case, due to a system quirk, you only need to declare it here and then.
You don't actually require the user to complete or submit any application form before they can then directly access it. Now let's examine the details of the code implementation together to understand how everything works. First, in the Modo.json5 file, locate the appropriate section and modify configuration settings. Define exactly which permission is required to perform this particular action.
And here's the simplest demo. First, this is
the current holding state indicates clearly whether it is active or paused. Next, the text position relative to the screen is specified. And finally, this presents the text content. Next, use the motion module with the forward key to retrieve the current state, and once the state has changed accordingly, continue the process without further delay. We update the corresponding text and its position relative to the screen when the user holds the device in their left hand, ensuring optimal alignment and consistent readability.
We place the text on the left when using the right hand on the right.
The following snippet shows a stack container that holds several nested components aligned vertically.